Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting up. Hard shifts, delayed response, or even getting stuck in a single gear. You plug in your OBD-II scanner and there it is, code P0966. This code is related to Pressure Control Solenoid B, which is crucial for maintaining smooth gear shifts. Ignoring this can lead to serious transmission damage. But don't worry, today, we'll cover what P0966 means, where the sensors are located and how you can fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC P0966? DTC P0966 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid B Control Circuit Low Voltage. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, manages fluid pressure using solenoids inside the transmission. If the circuit for solenoid B has low voltage, it affects fluid pressure, leading to erratic shifting or even limp mode. Common symptoms of P0966. If your car has this code, you might notice hard, delayed, or erratic shifting gear slipping, RPMs rise but speed doesn't increase. Check engine light, CL, or transmission warning light limp mode, car stuck in one gear. Poor acceleration sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0966, you need to check these key components. Pressure control, solenoid B, location. Found inside the transmission valve body, grouped with other solenoids. Function. Regulates fluid pressure to ensure smooth gear shifts. Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location. Usually near the battery, under the dashboard, or mounted on the transmission case. Function. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location. Mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location. Runs from the TCM to the solenoid inside the transmission. Function. What causes P0966? Common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control. Solenoid B, low resistance inside the solenoid disrupts voltage flow. 2. Wiring issues, short circuit or corrosion. Damaged wires can lower circuit voltage. 3. Weak battery or bad alternator. Low system voltage affects solenoid operation. 4. Transmission Control Module, TCM, malfunction, sends incorrect signals to the solenoid. 5. Dirty or low transmission fluid, affects hydraulic pressure regulation. How to fix P0966. Step 1. Check transmission fluid condition. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause shifting issues. If the fluid is burnt or contaminated, drain and replace it. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires leading to the solenoid and TCM. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid B. Use a multimeter to check the solenoid's resistance. Should be between 3–10 ohms. If faulty, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the alternator and battery voltage. Measure battery and alternator values as specified.